All right, we got a valve that's stuck and the zone will not shut off. Let's see if we can fix it. All right, well, we have a leaky valve. You can see that water ripples. So, maybe a seal, maybe a cracked body. We'll find out. All right, so I'm waiting on it to come on out here. What we've got is leak. Dang it. Oh yeah, I did. I'm getting wet. Whew. Anyways, got a leak down there on that valve. So I went from an easy repair to a new valve. So that's what we got. Get in here a little. Not getting sprayed. All right, we're going with our union because we had a constant drip. So that's gonna make it easier. Shove shop towel in, dry her up. Now use your knife, deburr that sucker. Can't do it with one hand, so I'm gonna have to put it down, but now you know how it's done. Clean all your shavings out. And remember which way the water's flowing. Because if you put the valve in backwards, it might not be a smooth day for you. All right, there it is in all its glory. So, Union 90 coupling, new valve, and no leaks. So, time to backfill. All right, so me and YY here came to change out a head, and we see this little river. And open the lid. We do both these customers and notice, well, this one's shooting out what looks like some stuff. You can almost hear it. This looks freshly mowed. So, and this guy's pretty smart that lives here, so I don't think he would ignore this. But I also think that this puddle probably just started because it hasn't made it down to the drain. So, it's very questionable about what's going on here because the neighbor had the same thing happen to them. I'd almost say about the same time of year. But anyways, we're gonna get to it. See what's going on. And change it. All right. Me and YY are here. It looks like somehow this cap just decided to spring a leak. So hopefully I got one in the van and it's just as simple as a new plug or a new cap. All right, so here we go. We got our little cracked cap. So we'll get a new one on, tape it, and suck the water out of both these pits. Be back in business. So the issue here is that our cap, this is our box here. Let's see if I can get it in frame. That's our box, this is our cap. The cap is actually above where the box sits. The cap is actually above where the box sits. So when you put the lid on, anytime you step on this lid, you step right on this cap. And that's ultimately what caused the issue. So highly recommend a riser so this doesn't happen again to this guy. And here's our leaky head or something of some kind. Dig it up and find out. All right, so we thought it was just this head. The head functioned fine, so I was like, maybe it's just leaking. But we turned it on and you'll see here in a second, our leak is coming from the line underneath the driveway.